Once you free yourself from your desires and allow the universe to act in a surprising and sudden way, even if it is difficult to understand, you begin to distance yourself from what you desire so much. The true key to attracting what you want and long for in your life lies in releasing desire and need. By understanding this, you recognize that you already possess everything you seek. It is important to understand that constant desire reveals a sense of scarcity that still resides within you, but it is not about abandoning desires because you no longer need them. It is about understanding that the feeling of gratitude and the attitude of knowing that everything is already done are fundamental to attracting what you desire. You are the protagonist of your own creative power. Every thought and emotion you experience arises from you, in a field full of infinite possibilities. Imagine yourself as a beacon of light in the midst of a vast ocean of opportunities. Your existence has a unique and valuable purpose, do not forget it. Everything you need is already on its way. Do not let the illusion of scarcity divert you from your true potential. Accept with total certainty that everything you need is already within your reach. The universe will conspire to manifest it in your reality. Sometimes, we cling to our desires and limit ourselves to what we can see and feel in this earthly plane. But in doing so, we deprive ourselves of everything, absolutely everything, that the kingdom of heaven has reserved for us. Our dreams, our aspirations, everything belongs to us. There are no limits or barriers that prevent us from achieving what we desire. Trust yourself and the power you carry within. Open your mind and your heart to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer you. Remember, you are the center of your own creative power, and your existence has a unique and valuable purpose. But by denying this property, by not recognizing its existence in our immediate reality, we are depriving ourselves of something that legitimately belongs to us. The key is to understand that there is a higher version of ourselves, a version aligned with an expanded consciousness. We must open ourselves to the understanding that this transcendental, limited, and rational reality is not just an intellectual idea, but a deep and wise feeling that arises from within us. In our journey of study and exploration of the universal laws, a magical moment arrives. After investing time and effort in understanding and practicing, a deep sense of tranquility arises. It is as if a great peace takes hold of us and we no longer yearn for what we once ardently desired. At that moment, we realize that we have found something more valuable, something that goes beyond our passions and superficial desires. We find ourselves in a state of fullness and harmony with the universe. When you stop desiring, you feel an inexplicable lightness, as if a weight has been lifted from your shoulders. You feel like you're floating in a state of positive emptiness, a liberating sensation, a total confidence that what you seek has already manifested in your reality. You no longer need to cling to that desire because you understand that it is already yours. A deep reflection arises. Why keep thinking about something I know is already done? Why keep striving and fighting for something I already have in my possession? You realize that everything you've been taught about effort, suffering, and struggle to achieve something is a big lie rooted in a society based on incomplete education. Everything you seek already exists in the energetic plane. Suppose you are at the center of a vast cosmic work, a game of energy and vibration. You are not just a spectator, you are an active creator, a divine spark with the power to manifest your desires. But how do you do it? How do you transcend the paradigm of effort and struggle? The answer is to tune into the right frequency, align yourself with the vibration of what you desire. It's not about fighting or making a desperate effort. It's about letting go of control and allowing the universe to orchestrate situations and opportunities for you. When you free yourself from desire and immerse yourself in tranquility and certainty that it is already yours, you emit an energy that attracts what you need. You become a magnet for abundance and fullness. You don't need to make an effort in the conventional sense, you know. It's not about lying in bed doing nothing and waiting for everything to come to you magically. No, that's not what I mean. What I want to convey is that the universe will move in your favor, orchestrating situations and opportunities for you to experience what you already know has happened, what is already done on the energetic plane. Continue living your daily life, committed to your everyday activities, starting from the premise that this idea will materialize. You don't care when or how it will happen because you have full confidence that everything will work in your favor. It may happen that, in the middle of a casual conversation with a friend over coffee, that creative spark and inspiration for your great idea arise. Alternatively, you may meet someone who is starting a similar project and discover that you can contribute something valuable, contributing to joint success. Remember, the key is to keep an open mind and be attentive to the opportunities that arise. Do not limit yourself or your ideas. Remember and affirm in comments that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. The act of letting go is a powerful form of acceptance. It is a recognition from your heart that everything you desire has already happened. There is no need to cry, fight, or suffer because the outcome you desire is already present in your reality. Time does not dictate how events unfold. It is a mix of interconnected moments, all gathered in this present instant. At this precise moment, you have achieved everything you desired. At this precise moment, you have succeeded in the project that you are passionate about. You have become the owner of the house or car you long for. Everything has already happened. The realization that time is not linear and that everything is already done brings life to letting go. The search, analysis, and suffering can be exhausting. I invite you to surrender to the certainty that what you thought was impossible or unattainable is already a reality. It is an act of total and complete acceptance, recognizing that you do not have to control everything. The universe takes care of tracing the best path to your desired present. It is to accept that your wildest and craziest dreams are possible and real. More importantly, it is to trust that everything is working in your favor and the right opportunities and circumstances will unfold on your path. Free yourself from the burden of controlling everything and allow the universe to work its magic in your life. Let go of your worries and open your arms to the certainty that everything you desire is already done. Imagine a mighty river, full of energy and life. This river is the stream of life, and you are part of it. By immersing yourself in the exploration of your true self, you align with the cosmic forces around you. You are a divine hologram in constant interaction with everything around you. Your thoughts and emotions are like stones thrown into the river. Each positive thought and each emotion of gratitude and joy create waves in the stream of life. These waves expand and connect with universal energy, creating a flow of manifestation in the universe. Observe how events, people, and opportunities align perfectly on your path when you are in harmony with your true self. The reality you desire is materializing at every moment. Flow with the stream of life, knowing that you are worthy of experiencing all the wonders that the universe has in store for you. Remember, gratitude and joy are the keys that open the doors of manifestation. Live in joy and gratitude, and watch how your life transforms into something wonderful. Listen carefully to the messages that the universe sends you. Everything you experience in your life is a reflection of your own state of consciousness. Remember that creative power is within you and you have the ability to manifest your desires from a place of trust and gratitude. There is no need to worry or doubt. Everything you need is already on its way. By entering this flow of trust and allowing opportunities to present themselves, you will discover that life becomes a harmonious dance. Leave behind a mindset of effort and struggle and embrace the wisdom that everything unfolds naturally and in perfect synchrony. Trusting the process and being grateful for every experience will lead you to a state of peace and fulfillment. Remember, the universe is always conspiring in your favor. Tune into the energy of trust and gratitude, and watch as your desires manifest in your reality. The universe speaks to you. As you immerse yourself in this sense of well-being, realizing that you no longer have to suffer, it's time to enjoy all the desires you have. When you accept them as already fulfilled, they become a source of joy. It doesn't matter when or how they manifest, What matters is experiencing them fully in the present moment. So, what difference does an exact moment make? It really matters internally. It's a journey of self-discovery and expansion of consciousness. It's about recognizing that everything is created and available to you. Free yourself from the need for control and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire. The more you go with the flow, the less resistance you oppose. And the more you accept that everything is already in place, the more easily it will manifest in your reality. In the vast universe of possibilities, every path, every person, and every element you need to encounter to move forward, even the challenges you must face, are there, waiting. Leaving everything in the hands of the universe can be a challenge, giving up control and trusting another force to choose the path for you. However, let me clarify that it is not about sitting on the couch and doing nothing. It is an intense and constant internal work. There comes a moment when you realize that this transformation comes from within. It is an invitation to connect with your deepest self, to align your desires with the energy of the universe. When you surrender to this process, you experience a deep connection with something greater than yourself. It is a harmonious dance between your intention and divine will, where you find peace and certainty that everything is in perfect order. Trust yourself, trust the process, and trust that everything you need is already present. Let go of fear and embrace the confidence that the universe will guide you towards your truest dreams. This journey requires courage and perseverance. As you emerge from this reality, you will be surprised by the synchronicities and blessings that manifest in your life when you make these decisions and accept that what you desire already belongs to you. It is a turning point where you must fully internalize and deeply understand that you are truly who you are and that everything is there to be enjoyed. We often create problems unconsciously for fear that things will be easy, but let me tell you that things are really easy. The more you repeat this affirmation, the easier it becomes. It is a deeply ingrained belief. All you need is faith, acceptance, and the decision of who you want to be and become. If you can internalize this, I guarantee you will conquer the world in the simplest and most authentic way for you. Letting go and surrendering also means realizing that the path you thought was right or the person you thought was ideal for you may not be. However, when you open up space in your life, even more amazing and wonderful things appear. That is an act of acceptance where you free yourself from suffering for those desires. Of course, there will be challenges along the way because we are human. However, if you can take a step back and gain a broader perspective, you will realize that everything, absolutely everything, was designed for you. Your dreams only need one thing to come true: your internal acceptance and gratitude. Be grateful for every step of the way, every experience, and every opportunity that arises in your path. The gratitude in your life, the gratitude that emanates from you, is not fake or superficial. It is an authentic expression of thankfulness for being alive, for all the wonders that are happening now and for those that are yet to come. Every gift you experience already exists, and when you realize this, genuine gratitude arises within you. Surprise yourself with the infinite love that God has for you. Surrender yourself. Everything you desire, life is essentially about happiness, and the sooner you realize this, the happier and more fulfilling your life will be. Each of us has the ability to create the reality we desire by deepening our understanding of the laws that govern us. Universe, you open the door to a fuller and more satisfying life. Embrace the power of gratitude, enjoy every moment of the present, and release your desires with confidence and certainty, knowing that everything you need is already on its way. Immerse yourself in deep feelings. Thank the flow of life and stay open to receiving more blessings. You are the creator of your reality and deserve a life full of joy and abundance. Trust yourself and the divine process that accompanies you, and you are worthy of all that is good. The universe must open its arms to thank and welcome the transformation in your life. I suggest you post a comment saying, "I release my dreams and desires so that the universe conspires in my favor." When you write this, you are affirming and telling the world that your desire is a reality. Now move on to the next video and continue learning how to manifest what you want in life. But don't do it before clicking on the bell and subscribing to the channel, because I guarantee you that your life will change beyond belief. Believe me, I wish you all the best in life, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for sharing your time with us.